Hillary Clinton is in the middle of a battle with Judicial Watch about whether she will be deposed in person, about her emails, and more specifically now about whether or not she has to turn over her lawyer's record about the search and review process of her emails that led to the destruction of at least half of them, supposedly, because I know some people don't believe they were even deleted. So we had discovery granted to us on this issue by Judge Royce Lamberth. He said that he agreed with Judicial Watch. It was time to hear from Hillary Clinton and ordered her deposition. And Hillary Clinton filed an emergency motion. It's called a writ of mandamus. I was talking about one earlier, seeking relief from the court order, saying the court order needs to be overturned. Now, writs of mandamus are typically disfavored by the courts, and you have to have really good reasons. And Hillary Clinton's reason is that she's too important a government official, even though she left government 9 years ago, to have to be deposed by this. It's all old news, and she shouldn't have to be deposed. Even the State Department and Justice Department thinks that she doesn't have a leg to stand on legally in that type of objection. And these agencies were defending her in the lower court, so they didn't even want her to be deposed to begin with. But once the court order issued, they thought her appeal was bunk. They didn't say it like that, but that's essentially what the gravamen of their position is. So she filed this emergency appeal, and now the appellate court has set a hearing on that for June 2nd. So we are going to be in court against Hillary Clinton on June 2nd before a federal appellate panel. And it is a public hearing. I don't know if it's available online. I think they typically are now because of the coronavirus. They're not meeting in person, so it may be on something on YouTube. So as the time gets closer, I'll be sure to alert you to that. So we're fighting Hillary Clinton to try to get her deposed in person. And then we're also trying to get this discovery document that the judge also ordered be released. And it's a memo that we found that Heather Samuelson, one of Hillary Clinton's lawyers, wrote about her review and destruction of the emails. Of course, she doesn't say destruction. The email, the document is called the After Action Memo. And the court essentially said, in a previous ruling that's applicable here, we think, that you can't hide everything, because the court recognizes it's a memo written by the lawyer, so there might be a privilege in some of the information in there to the degree it reflects an attorney's mental processes or even recommendations. But the facts and details about what the attorney did are not subject to the type of privilege, or their interest in that privilege isn't outweighed by our need to know here. So the court said you got to turn over the document. So rather than turn over the document, Hillary Clinton is resisting the court order and saying we can't see any of the document. Any of the document.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest news from Judicial Watch.